Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. You know, you're the part of the what? Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. If you're not part of Grateful Gang, we'd love to have you over here. It is free 99 and it costs you nothing. Okay, it's absolutely free. So on this channel, I do a hybrid budgeting style, which means I use my digital budget as well as I write down my transactions on an A5 planner to keep up with tracking my expenses. I also use cash as well as my credit card, whichever works best for me in each situation. So today we're going to be working on our August budget because August will be here in like 2 days. And I just want to see where we're at financially, if all will work out, because a lot of things have gone up. And unfortunately, because the health insurance has gone up for me at work, the pay will go down. So there will be a lot of estimation going on when it comes to the income, but we'll see when the numbers roll in August. It is not a magic month for me the way that my paychecks fall. I think my next magic month is in November. So we'll work from there. I am a single budgeter with a bi-weekly budget. So let's go. All right, so currently we always think we're going to get 1569.27. So what I think I'm going to go ahead and do, if you see me looking away, camera's here, my screen is here, just if you're new here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take away $20. So 1569.27 minus, let's call it $20. So we're going to budget with 1549.27. All right, and then we're going to budget with 1624.28. I believe that's $20 difference. Okay. And we'll see if we can make this work. So first things first, our mortgage, I say our, I'm just talking about me and y'all, okay? It is just me. So the mortgage is $1183.62. What I like to do with my mortgage is do a split bill payment with that. So I'll take that and divide that by 2, which is $591.81 each paycheck. If I need to come back and allocate differently, I will, because usually my first check will be very bill heavy. Cell phone. The cell phone is still only $25. It'll be due on the 16th. So my first August paycheck is from 8/9 to 8/22. The second is from 8/23 to 9/5. These paychecks are paycheck to paycheck budgets. That's how I budget for the month. So my month may go into September. So as far as the cell phone, it is due on the 16th, so it'll fall in this first paycheck. So it's $25. And then the water bill is automatic. It's $43.08 normally. It falls on the 13th, and that'll be automatic. So both of these are automatic, except one comes out of the credit card. The credit card, the cell phone bill will come off of, and then I pay it right back. Really? And then as far as the water, that comes out of the bank account, and so it just gets paid. And then we have our car insurance, which went up, unfortunately, to $171.08. And that's due on the 14th. That I pay on the credit card, but I can pay that myself, although it's also automatic. Electric bill also went up, is going up to $141 and due on the 14th. I can also pay that on the credit card. And here we go. We have the gym. We're not going to schedule anything for the gym right now, only because we have so many bills that have risen up. Then on the 19th, the internet is due. That's currently on a contract, and it is automatic out of my operating account. Then we have our security bill. That's for the actual security. And then we have the security equipment. So the security bill is due on the 22nd. We'll leave it here in this first paycheck. And that comes directly out of the credit card. And the next one also comes right out of the credit card, but that will due on the 27th for $43.20. Also straight from the credit card, also automatic. I feel like that color is slightly different. Y'all, it'd be struggling with me in these colors. Whoa. Sorry, guys. I don't know where we're at. Sorry. Okay, might as well just leave it that way. And then we have trash sewer is not due. It was already paid for the quarter. Then we move on to our debts. There's nothing on the Home Depot card. There's nothing on the Ulta card. Even though I went and bought moisturizer, I just put it on my Saver card. The Saver card I leave at nothing, and we reconcile that weekly in the A5, the one I'm talking about when we track expenses. There's nothing on the Merit card. And I haven't used that card in a while, so I really should consider putting like something I can pay off relatively quickly on that card so it doesn't close. And then the car payment, I do the same way as I do the mortgage, which is a split payment. So $233.50 is what I do for that. And so I usually split it between each week. And then we have our Capital One card, has nothing on it. I do the same thing as I do with the Saver. Currently, what I do is my Saver card is what I'm using for my variable expenses, gas, groceries, self-care. Gas is in cash. So usually gas, fun, eating out is on that card. And then as far as the Quicksilver card, which is the other one, the other Capital One card, it is where all the bills that I keep saying go to the credit card. That is where those go. Discover, there's nothing on that yet, although I've considered putting my grocery bill on the Discover because they're having a 5% cash back right now. Student loan is due on the 17th, so again on that first bill, so $70.67, and that is not like. Now we move on to our variables. So our variables get a total of $500 for the month, and they get $250 each week. 40 goes to eating out. Well, I'll just give you the totals. 80 go to eating out, 40 goes to entertainment, gas gets 120, giving gets 20, groceries gets 160, and self-care. Yes, I would really love for those numbers to be higher, but right now that's just kind of what I'm working with. I am looking to revamp my budget in 2025, but for now, I think we're doing okay. So I'm going to fill in those numbers really quickly so we can see where we're at. I can already see that on the August 1st bill, we're already the first paycheck, we're already in the negative, which is not good. So I'm either going to adjust the mortgage amount that I put away, or I'm going to, because the mortgage for August is already paid. What I'm saving right now is for September. Also, my variables are a month ahead. So these money that I'm putting away in August are also for September. So I've never done it before, but it's very possible that I'll just move most of the variables or some of the variables over to the next week's paycheck. But let's keep going and see where we're at right now. Next, we're going to move into sinking. Oh, let me just put our dollar away from Navy Federal. That's just something I do every single paycheck to keep that account open because there is a physical Navy Federal bank that I just never know when I'm going to need it. Now, let's go over to my yearly budget and see what I have put away for my sinking funds, which start here in gray, and we are going to be in August, my birthday month. So the fact that we're low on money right now is not making me excited, but honestly it is what it is. So let's copy it over and see what we were supposed to be spending. Oh, look, it's already here. We're gonna see what we're supposed to be sending in that. So as far as apparel is supposed to get $10, I'm just gonna start by putting everything in the second column because we can already see that I'm negative over here. There's no reason to put any of the extra sinking funds into this into this portion because it's not gonna work out. So all right, so $10 for apparel, and then nothing to build a buffer. Birthdays, because it was my birthday, is getting $100, and then I forgot about this car maintenance. I need to do my car registration. I stopped playing, girl. Where are we at? Car maintenance is getting nothing, and Christmas is getting nothing. What? Emergency fund is getting 2803. We love to see it. And then the health medical is getting 10. Grateful for that. HOA is getting 44. I usually split that 22 and 22, but we can't do that this time. Household is getting 40, and everything feels like it's running out of the house right now, but I think I have $100 in household right now, so that works. The HVAC system is getting $100. Now, the KineMaster was fully funded as you see it was supposed to be, and it has been fully funded because we did a we did a snowball sinking fund for my memberships, and that worked out well for me because all my memberships are funded. So technically, I'm supposed to have $4 going to Sam's Club and $11 going to Amazon, which I don't have to worry about allocating right now because that could just be extra, which we're going to obviously need. And then beauty is getting 30, which is good. It'll replenish what I just spent on moisturizer. Nothing going to travel, nothing going to treat yourself, YouTube boss, all the things are other. So this is good because I think we're going to be okay without the, okay, hold on. I'm sorry. Let me put this on vibrate because it would be everybody needs me when I'm recording. Okay. So we obviously cannot do this. So let's figure out what it is. So if we have 142.74 and we have 85.01 over budget, we have $57.73 extra as a buffer to separate between them, right? So I just moved the calculator. You probably can't see it, but I'm just going to be adding, let's see, 40.60. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do it a little, no, you know what? I'm just going to put, let me try 500 here. So 1183.62 minus 500 leaves us with 683.62 left. So there's a buffer of $6 and $50. I would like that to be a slightly bit more even. So I'm going to leave this at 0 and make this 40. Okay. So these are my changes. I'm just going to put away 500 for the September mortgage here and then up it to 683.62 here. And then we will, instead of putting the $40 away for fun and entertainment the first week, we'll do the $20 away. We'll do 40 the second week, which also works out because it's for September. It's not really anything I need this moment, which is great with me, and everything else is covered. It leaves us with 26.80 in the buffer, in the balance, which will move that to the buffer. And then $30.93 week 2, paycheck 2 in the buffer. That leaves us both at a zero-based budget. So we worked it out. If everything works out, y'all, it will be fine. And I am estimating these new monies. Maybe it's only going to be $10 difference. Maybe it'll be more. Let's pray it's not more than $20 difference. I mean, we still do have about $50 to play with, which is amazing. So thank God for that. But that is August. That's us forecasting what August will look like. We will know better when the checks start rolling in. Have you done your August budget? Let me know down in the comments. Have you done your August budget? And are you in a boat like me where your paycheck is going down, but all the bills keep going up? It's just the way of the world right now. And I'm just grateful that God continues to provide. Jehovah Jireh, baby. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, in order to be great, you have to be grateful. I'm super duper grateful for you. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Remember, it's faith over fear this year, but not just this year, but what? Forever, forever, ever, forever, ever. Bye. Jazz hands. Love you, mean it. Bye.